Okay, here we are at the back above the mezzanine. Looks like there's another grow room that says thinking is not feeling above that we haven't accessed yet. There's all kinds of stuff up here. There are tools, there's equipment, there's racks with just different odds and ends, some used in growing, some unrelated. There's a computer screen, bunch of electronics. My goodness, we've got these mechanics tool things. My first time seeing them, so let's take a look and see if there's anything good. Pliers, there's a few. Screwdriver, measuring tools, there we go. Couple of end wrenches. Well, it's a Husky box. And then pretty much nothing in there. That looks pretty empty too. You got some drill bits in here. Alkaline batteries. A couple more tool boxes. Well, any normal auction would break these things out, but we really don't want to have more than one bidder. So this all goes to the winning high bidder. You take it and sell it or use it or profit, or you can, and it looks like some of your old school growing lamp umbrellas. More stuff over there. And then here's some bins that are unsearched as of now. Another little tool area. It's got a drill press. Bins with bits and pieces. More plywood, more doors. All of this, you get all this wood. Jeez, remember when wood was through the roof? It's still expensive, but you get the wood. We're gonna make our way this here. Now this, from right here on out, see we've got a different, it would be either here or there, because over where the mirror is would be where the room starts. And then it starts in the corner over there. It looks like we have one more unexplored grow room upstairs that we'll have to get to when we can get to the other side. This is a room filled, probably looks like they made hash or hash oil or something in here. I don't know what the hell they did in here, but you're gonna take this more crap. This, you got gas tanks. So here we go. Equipment, lumber and scrap lumber. I guess they built a lot of this stuff, and right now I'm walking on the roof of grow room number 3. There's all this scrap lumber here, and this over here and there. Big folding A ladder. Yeah, whatever this is, looks like yeah, it is a sandblasting machine. And we'll see what's over here. Grinder wheel, paints and solvents. What the heck? That looks like vent lid covers, bicycle, and bar stock. All right. And I don't know how to get over there, but over to rooms 1 and 2. These are all the ways in. Buckets, vent parts. Let me zoom back a little. There we go. Couple of chairs. I don't know what I always say. Oh. That's what we're looking at. That's what you're bidding on. And here's the view. There's that canoe. And we're looking over the room. There is a room with a roll-up door to load this out with. There's a big tank in that room. The ladder stays, that ladder stays, this ladder up here goes. And then everything down there where there was the arc welder and whatnot. So this here is over grow room number 3.